Video, we have gone through the basic introduction to how to set up our own virtual lab. There, we have installed the Oracle VirtualBox, and by using the Kali Linux image, install the Oracle VirtualBox, and by using the Kali Linux image, we have successfully booted into the desktop. And now, I'll explain you how to install Linux in the VirtualBox. So even I am accessing this particular Kali Linux machine in the live mode. So let me go to the machine and let me reset the machine. And here we need to select the graphical install. So choose the language as English. If you choose the English, United States, American English, give the host name as a Kali as a default, click on continue, domain name nothing, continue. So it is asking you for the password. Let it be TOOR, tour, that is TOOR. Click on continue, continue. Yes, I want to make the changes. Continue. Installation is going on. Okay, now we need to select we just know now. Click on continue. And the installation is about to get finished. So finally installation is completed. Click on continue. And now it's been restarted. So we need to log in with our default credentials. The username is root and password is tour. And now we have successfully installed this. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video we'll last few videos, we have successfully created our own virtual lab where we have installed the Kali Linux machine inside the Oracle VirtualBox. So to practice the penetration, we have successfully created our own virtual lab where we have installed the Kali Linux machine inside the Oracle VirtualBox. So to practice the penetration testing skills, we need to build a vulnerable lab. In this video, we will be using different types of third-party test beds. As a basic video, I will be explaining you how to download a vulnerable test bed. In this video, I am going to use Metasploit types of third-party test beds. As a basic video, I will be explaining you how to download a vulnerable test bed. In this video, I am going to use Metasploit as my victim operating system. This particular Metasploit is an intentionally vulnerable Linux virtual machine. We just need to download this particular virtual machine and we need to unzip it and we need to use this. For accessing this particular Metasploit, either you need to have a VM player or else a VMware workstation. I'm using this particular VMware workstation software for opening up this particular Metasploit operating system. It's very easy, guys. Just go through the following URI and download this particular link. Already I have downloaded and extracted this particular operating system. Now go to the file, click on open and go to the downloads or else the default location where you have downloaded this particular zip file and open up the file. Coming to the default credentials for this particular operating system as MSF admin and MSF admin. So the operating system is getting booting up. In default, the services are also going to start. So let us log in with the default credentials. Even it's clearly stated on the screen, that is the username is MSF admin and the password is MSF admin. If you want to access the full screen, press Ctrl Alt Enter. Now we have successfully downloaded the Metasploitable operating system. We extracted it. We have accessed this particular Metasploitable operating system. That's really great. And in the upcoming videos, what we will do is we will implement the PTES standard, which we have discussed in the earlier videos. We will do the basic vulnerability analysis. We will model the threats, and we